what school you go to?
Okay, my full name is Phan Trung, and you can call me by nickname Fufu. And now I'm studying in Mercury School, which is high school.
Okay, for part one, I'm gonna still ask you questions about pollution and the environment.
Okay.
So what actions can people take to protect the environment?
There are various ways for people to protect the environment. For me, I usually reduce the plastic bag I use, and sometimes my family recycle some of the old things.
How do you feel about the use of plastic bags?
I have read a news that in the past we used the paper bag, and the problem is paper bag parts is like made from wood, cutting wood. So the plastic bag is alternative way to solve that problem. However, it is still a big problem because paper bag take a long time to it's gone like yeah.
Mm. Are you concerned about air pollution in your city?
Concerns.
Concerned. Are you worried about the air pollution in your city?
Absolutely yes. Hanoi is very popular. Hanoi is very polluted because in every there's many using the motorbike and car a day, and now when in the morning you wake up and you see it outside the window, you will see like a little bit of hazes, so it's a dirty smoke, not
Okay, for part two, I'm going to ask you this question. So, you have 1 minute to prepare your answer. Okay, go ahead.
So I will talk about how I learned to play piano. So I know about piano from the YouTuber whose name is Virus. He inspired me to play piano, and I have learned it for since I was in grade 10, so it's probably 1 year ago. First time I learned how to play is really hard. Piano was very hard to play, and I studied by learning some videos in YouTube or the TikTok. I see how they were trying to play, and I want exactly what they do. And as the first time, it's really hard. However, when you have tried to play piano for I guess 3 or 2 months, yeah, it probably be more easier, and you will know how to read the passes, and you can do it by yourself, not just watching what the YouTuber play and you do what the exercise exactly. And is I was really remember the time I learned to play piano because it's terrible. Yeah, it's so hard. Like my mom's also love piano, So she really want me to pursue this interest. And yeah, finally, for 1 year playing piano in terrible moment, and I didn't know how to play it, and now I can play it very well.
Okay. Now, for part 3, your first question is, do you think traditional classrooms will disappear in the future?
This is a really interesting question. Now, by the development of technologies, people can learning by using technology, like using computers while we are learning. However, like in the COVID, we have seen that the fact that the student learn from video call like Zoom, they are not really paying attention on what the teacher say. So probably I believe that the traditional classroom will be it's not will be disappear in the near future.
Mm-hmm. What are the benefits and drawbacks of online learning?
Like I say, as I had mentioned, online learning, the student have not paid attention on it, and the teacher even don't know why and don't know the student are not paying attention in. However, the benefits of it is like it's very convenient. Like you can study everywhere and every time.
Okay, all done.
Thank you.